So hello guys and welcome back to Cryptus Cybersecurity Private Limited. So in this video I'm going to explain what is Linux and what is Kali Linux. So let's begin. So Linux is a free and open source operating system that is widely used in servers, supercomputers and mobile devices. It is highly customizable and has a large community of developers constantly improving it. So you may be wondering what are the distributions of Linux. There are many distributions of Linux, each with its own unique features and target audience. Some popular distributions include Ubuntu, Fedora and Debian. So what are the advantages of using Linux? Linux offers several advantages over proprietary operating systems, including cost effectiveness, customizability and security. It also has a vast library of open source software. And now I'm going to talk about what is Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is a penetration testing tool for ethical hacker. It comes with a wide range of pre-installed tools for testing network security, web application and more. With Kali Linux, you can simulate real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities and improve security. What are the features of Kali Linux? Kali Linux offers a variety of features including forensic analysis, password cracking and network sniffing. It also includes tools for wireless attacks, web application testing and exploit development. With Kali Linux, you have everything you need to perform a comprehensive security assessment. To get started with Kali Linux, you can download the ISO image from the official website and install it on your computer. Once it is installed, now you can access the tools through the terminal or the graphical user interface. With Kali Linux, you can demonstrate how to perform password cracking attack on Windows machine. With Kali Linux, you can easily crack password using tools like Hydra and John the Ripper. So in conclusion, Kali Linux is a powerful tool for cybersecurity professionals. With its wide range of pre-installed tools, you can perform a comprehensive security assessment and identify vulnerabilities in your network. So I'm going to give you a brief introduction about Kali Linux. So this is how a Kali Linux looks like. So this is the terminal of the Kali Linux. You can use many commands like ls. ls is used for list, and you can change directory from like this. So yeah, that's it for this video and thanks for watching.